La Moroccan Diplomatic Society, qui est un club de la faculté de gouvernance des sciences économiques et sociales, a eu l'honneur d'accueillir la première édition de la YIAPD, qui est la Youth International Association for Peace and Diplomacy. C'est un événement qui est intéressant et unique pour les étudiants, puisqu'il leur permet de connecter avec des étudiants du monde entier, ça leur permet également de pouvoir découvrir de nouvelles cultures, de nouveaux horizons, de débattre, d'échanger au sein de conférences, de workshops et aussi d'ateliers un peu plus informels.
This very important summit was the beginning, was le début for the club of young students who study diplomacy and international relations and economy. These young people wanted to launch a message that peace and diplomacy, cooperation and mutual understanding start with friendly and frank relationship. The international guests that they were involving were absolutely top class. We had some people dealing with human rights, with United Nations, with mentoring, with improvement, with communication like me. The environment was that one of learning and being together. So this is the first time of many, many times to follow.
We're absolutely thrilled to be here at the YIAPD conference in Morocco.
We were greeted by amazing people and welcomed onto their beautiful campus.
We've experienced the Moroccan culture. We had workshops, conferences, and each of these activities actually enriching us in a way that we didn't expect at first.
It's really important for the youth to have a place to discuss, especially in the climate that we are in. We are seeing so much war.
And here we are here to network, to brainstorm on some solutions and to understand together how we can bring innovative solutions.
And we believe that if we continue in this way, we could create actually a great platform for young people that want to participate in diplomacy and to be really able to influence the world that we are in today.